kalpasan ti 2 a bulan a bakasyon, balik eskwelahan dagiti kindergarten aging ga senior high learners. Complete uniform, kabado ken excited ti grade 12 student ti Abra High School ani Kurt ito munangal daw ti school year 2026-2027. Manipod ti dati nga alas 6 aging ga alas 7 a panagriing na iti agsapa. Itangal daw alas 5 ti rubat na para ti 7:30 nga klase. Ngem nalakalaeng daytoy nga adjustment para kinkwana.
Nalaka lang para kanyak ma'am kasi yan. Ti adjust ko lang ti paturogak ti rabi, tas nalakad to lang para kanya ka nag-ring tinasa. Medyo agner-nervous na ma'am kasi baro manan nga nga subjects ti adalen mi ka pasla dati feeling ko nga kayak pa lang ba ti kastoy or haan dagi kadwa mo lang ma'am ka excited na kasi 2 months ko suda nga nakikita excited na nga makita suda ulit.
Iti sidong ti baro a 3-term calendar ti DepEd awan paylaeng ti formal a panagklase dagiti learners ti first term wenno opening block. Agserbi daytoy a preparatory stage.
These 5 days will be we will be catering different activities, profiling of the students, assessments, and on a diagnostic test, health, safe, and wellness activities of the students, strengthening our linkage with the parents.
Iti agdama, pakabuklan na 3,534 ti enrollees ti Abra High School, pakairamanan dagiti learners ti Abra High School sinalang extension, ken madamapay laing ti panagawat da kadagiti late enrollees. June 15 ti rugiti instructional block ngagpaot aging ga September 8.
Puro mas namaymayat po ti kasi mas makafocus dagi estudyante ti klase da.
Namnamaen ti pagadalan babaen ti 3-term school calendar sumaya ti academic performance dagiti learners.
It is already expected that they will have higher performance. They will be achieving more. They will have higher performance, especially on the ESM subject, English, Filipino, and mathematics, higher MPS, and probably for the performance indicators, there will be no more dropouts or there will be no repeaters.
Kagiddan ti panaglukat ti klase, ti kinasagana dagiti pagadalan, kalpasan ti nabalegian a brigada eskwela. Inpeteng ti DepEd Abra nga umdas dagiti teaching staff para kadagiti pagadalan amang ti dekalidad nga edukasyon.
Actually, hantay mo ako nga agkurkurang ti teachers tayo. We have more than enough teachers teaching in the elementary, secondary, and the senior high school. And then, for this year, adaman an additional nga new items nga manariman ti deployment mitata for the different schools. 90 or more than 90 teaching items being deployed to the different schools. So we hope nga those would be enough or more than enough to as part of our manpower to teach our learners in the different schools.
Pakabuklan at 201 class days ti panagbasa dagiti learners ita nga school year. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.